Here is an under $600 upgrade to AMD's latest platform, AM5. We have here the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X. This overclockable beast of a CPU is a 6-core, 12-thread that will blast through your games and content creation with ease. This 7600X is going for $241.89 from Amazon. With an overclocked processor, you will need a good cooling system. Here is the ID Cooling DASHFLOW 240 Basic Black CPU water cooler. It is compatible with AM5 sockets and will keep that 7600X nice and cool. It's going for $69.99. Then let's pair those up with a GIGABYTE B650M DS3H motherboard. This micro ATX motherboard comes with a 5-year warranty, PCI Express 4.0, and has a 2.5 gig Ethernet port for fast online gaming and uploading content. This board is currently going for $149.99. And for the last part that you will need for this upgrade would be memory. How about 32 gigs of DDR5 5600 CORSAIR Vengeance memory? This memory supports XMP profiles and pairs up to the 7600 and gigabyte motherboard nicely. This memory will run you $119.99. Thank you for watching King Computers Deals and Upgrades.